Hello parents, this is Señora Rivera with a video to guide you on how to access the MAP math test practice in order for your child to learn how to navigate or do it next week when we have the real test. First, you go to class link portal, type in your kids password and username. Then you're gonna see this screen. Look for the icon that says NWEA. Click on that. You're gonna see the login page. Go to Student Resources. Click on Grades K2 Map Growth on your left. You could watch these videos. This one explains what is the test about. This one gives you tips on how to get ready for the test. And this one is where we're going to click on for the practice test. Click on that. You're going to see a blue box at the bottom. Pay attention to the username and password. This is only for the practice test. Click on that blue box. Here, we're going to type in the username, GROW, and the password, GROW. Then click on the blue box next to this. Then we are going to select the grade. Click on the arrow, scroll down and stop in 1. Then we're going to go to the second box. Click on the arrow and we're going to select math. Then we're going to select the test language would be English. And we don't do nothing here. That's the test that we're going to be working on. Click and the blue box at the bottom.
Look at the shapes. Choose the cube.
Then you are not sure about the question. You can go on top here where the speaker icon is next to the question mark and click that so you can hear the question again.
Choose the cube.
Then I heard the question, so I'm going to proceed to answer. I'm going to click on this little dot in order to select my answer. Once I do that, I go down the screen and I find this little blue box with the arrow. I click on that to go on to the next question.
Look at the pencils. Move the short pencils to the short pencils box. Move the long pencils to the long pencils box.
I'm not sure about the question, so I want to hear it again. I'm going to go and click on the speaker icon to repeat the question.
Move the short pencils to the short pencils box. Move the long pencils to the long pencils box.
Okay. So if your child is not sure where does it say short pencils, you can find speaker icon next to the boxes.
Short pencils. Long pencils.
So now we have the pencils at the bottom. Either we can click on the pencil and drag it to the box where it belongs and release it, or either I click on the pencil and then click on the box that I want to place it in. Short pencil, long pencils. I'm not sure. I'm going to hear again.
Short pencils. Long pencils.
Okay. So once again, I click with my mouse and drag the pencil to the box that I wanted and release it. I'm going to do that. Or you can click on the pencil and then move your mouse in the box that you want it and click there and it will stick there. Again, I can click and drag it over, or I can click and click back again to move it. Once am I done, I proceed to go down and click on the blue box at the bottom to proceed to the next question.
Look at the picture. Putting an X on a cookie means it is taken away. Move the X to the cookies to show 5, take away 2.
Again, I want to hear the question again. I click on the speaker icon next to the question mark.
Putting an X on a cookie means it is taken away. Move the X to the cookies to show 5, take away 2.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to click on the X again to show 5 minus 2. So I think I'm done. So I proceed to click on the blue box at the bottom. Once you are done answering all the questions, you can go to the blue box on top on your right that says Exit Test and click. And I'm done with my test. And wait for the instructions. I hope that this video helps you how to access the Math MAP practice test.